I would say, let's say holding a golf club, holding a driver. I don't like this girl's choking herself out with a mixed arm. This girl, I guess, is pretty doable. But what I might do is I might even use some other keywords like happy, right? You can go in and you can change a lot of elements about it. But now you kind of get an example of what it's looking like. We'll do one more real quick, / imagine. Let's say an attractive, happy female golfer standing up in golf attire, holding a golf club with a golf course in the background during sunset. AR 16:9. Let's just see what happens there. I don't have much time. Attractive, happy female golfer standing up wearing golf attire, holding a golf club with a golf course in the background. And so, yeah, we could always change that. Whatever it is, we could always change it. But you guys get the point. Now, look, I zoomed out on these. You can start to see now it's showing her arms. So now I can look and see which ones look most realistic. I think this one on the top right does fine. I think they all kind of do fine. But now you can start to see it's looking more realistic. And let's look at this one here.